With Zing's new embedded dashboard capability, you can take any dashboard that you create within Zing, like I've got over here, and embed that into your own application using our React SDK or JavaScript. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is set up your data source in Zing, and then you're going to go over to your organization and your settings and get the embed key. Don't worry, I'm going to delete this right after I create this video. Your API key, your embed secret, and then you'll also need to ping the Zing team for one more key. And then you'll go and create your dashboard within Zing. Once you've saved your dashboard within Zing, you hit embed options and get embed ID. That gives you an embed ID that you can copy. You also could click on any of these individual graphs and get an embed ID for them simply by clicking into that graph and then saying that you want to get the embed ID. Now, if you use a React SDK, you can easily take that and drop this embed ID into your own application. And the cool thing is, as soon as you make a change, so here I've got a sample React app, as soon as you make a change within your Zing dashboard, that updates within your React app. So here I've got these four charts, and I can click on them and hover over to see details and all that. But I also can go over here and let's say change my dashboard. So I will hit edit, and I'm going to change it so I don't have this big number here. I'm going to simplify it so I've only got let's say these two elements, and maybe I want them to be bigger. Great. I hit save, and I'm not going to rebuild my React app. I'm not going to restart my server. All I'm going to do is refresh this page, and it immediately represents the latest data and the latest questions and layout from my dashboard. We'd love to help you if you need a hand getting started. You can go to zingdata.com and you'll see more details on how to get set up in terms of pulling down the API keys, getting the embed ID, and then the React SDK, and how to pull that into your own application. If you have any questions, we're here to help, and happy dashboarding.